Friends, the government of India has taken numerous measures to boost science, research and innovation. Science is at the core of our efforts toward socio-economic change. We broke inertia in the system. The long break in vaccine introduction was broken. In 2014, 4 new vaccines were introduced into our immunization program. This included an indigenously developed rotavirus vaccine. We encourage indigenous vaccine production also. Recently, we also gave market authorization for an indigenously developed pneumococcal vaccine. These vaccination program and our Poshan mission take the health and nutrition of our children to the level of importance it deserves. Our vaccine developers are active and globally competitive during this pandemic. We understand that time is of the essence. We have launched an ambitious mission to remove TB in India by 2025. This is 5 years before the global target. Friends, there are other ongoing efforts as well. We have launched major missions on supercomputing and on cyber physical systems. These have expanded on fundamental research and application in areas such as artificial intelligence, robotics, sensors, and big data analytics. This will provide a great boost to Indian manufacturing. It will help create skilled young human resources. The startup sector will prosper. 25 technology innovation hubs have already been launched under the mission. Friends, we want top-class scientific research to help our farmers. Our agriculture research scientists have worked hard to ramp up our production of pulses. Today, we import only a very small fraction of our pulses. Our food grain production has hit a record high. Friends, recently, India got a national education policy. After over 3 decades, India has such a policy. The making of this policy involved widespread consultation for several months. This national education policy, Rashtriya Shiksha Niti, aims to boost curiosity towards science. It gives much needed boost to research and innovation. I am particularly optimistic about the focus on multidisciplinary studies. The open and broad-based academic environment will nurture young talent.